Good morning, if this is your morning. Good afternoon, if this is your afternoon by your location. Good evening, if this is your evening. And I say no in Igbo language or ndewo. This is the live. So wherever you are, you're seeing me right now. It's the appointed time. We agreed to meet here every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, which is 1300 GMT, to learn Igbo language free of charge. So wherever you are, and you are hearing me now, you are seeing me right now, this is where to be at a time like this, where we talk Igbo language, teach Igbo language, learn Igbo language, and then sharpen our skill in Igbo language. So wherever you are from any part of the world, and you are seeing me right now, you are interested in learning Igbo language, you are married to Igbo, you are engaged to Igbo person, you are born by Igbo parents, and you're finding it difficult to speak the language, maybe by reason of your location or your inability to access people who can speak Igbo with you, maybe because of your nature of work or location, you have nobody to interact with. This is the right place to be. Every Saturday, we come together by 2 p.m. to learn Igbo language together. It's a community of learners and teachers together. There are people here who are advanced in Igbo. You are going to learn from them. There are people at intermediate level. There are people who are really beginners like you. So at whatever level you find yourself, you'll find this live session very helpful to you. You can sharpen your skills even more and measure your level of progress. It doesn't matter if you've been learning Igbo before now, you're subscribed to one YouTube channel or the other. If you're interested in taking your Igbo language speaking to a new level altogether, this is where to be at this time. So begin to join now as we do this together. I am the Igbo tutor, Maazi Okafo. So as you join the class, there are a few things to do. First, you drop your greetings. Let's know you are here. And that is how to mark your register. Just drop your greetings, say ndewo, say no, just type something in the chat. Or if you are watching this from our homepage, just drop something in the comment section below. Let's know you are with us. If you're also watching from our homepage, you can go to the comment section on the bar, swipe it left, and you have opportunity to see a replay of our chat during live session. So you can also flow along with us. So as you join the class, please drop your greetings. Let's welcome you officially to Igbo language class. Igbo language is a language that of over, let's say, 50 million people in Nigeria. One of the languages in Nigeria, in fact, is the language of the business people of Nigeria. Igbos are noted for business and entrepreneurship. So wherever you have any reason to do business with a Nigerian and you want to excel in your business, you need to learn Igbo language because that's the language of the business-oriented people of Nigeria. So join us as we learn together. Okay, PPR, Ranka, hello, Ndewo, you're welcome to live Igbo language class. So begin to join. As we join, do a few things. Drop a greeting to us like this man has just done. Hello, Ndewo, no, just say something, speak your name, and extend our greetings and appreciations to you. And then you hit the like button and then hit the share button to share this out to your friends and contacts also, so that they can have the same opportunity you are having now to learn Igbo language free of charge. As you join the class, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do so as a way of appreciating our efforts. So let's begin this class in earnest. We have just 1 hour to run this class now. And before now, in previous sessions, we've been dealing with a particular subject, and the subject we've been dealing with is called Igbo words in present and past tense. What we do is that we pick Igbo words and then decode the meaning of the word. We move in from the meaning to the past tense of that word, and we use it to make a simple sentence. That way, our knowledge of that word will expand it in a sentence. So we learn the word meaning, we learn the past tense of that word, We learn how to use it to make a simple sentence in Igbo language. I'm sure when you have done this in one word, you will actually must have grown your knowledge and understanding of the Igbo words and the application. So last week, we stopped at the word rie. That was the last word we considered in our last lesson last Saturday. Rie, R-I-E. And what does that mean? That means eat. Rie, eat. And we made a simple sentence with that. So we are taking it up from there as we continue today. If you are not in our last class, this is just a reminder and a refresher for you. Our last word was rie last week. We use rie to make a simple sentence. Let me make another example of a sentence with that word now, even as we move on from there. Rie is eat. If I say rienri, it means eat food. R-I-E, as rie, eat. Nri is N-R-I, nri, that is eat food. Okay? What is the past tense of rie? The past tense is riri, riri, which is R-I-R-I, riri. Okay? And if I want to make a sentence with that, and I say he ate food, which means oh ririnri, he ate food. Oh ririnri, he ate food. All right, that is what we did last week. Or that was the last word. We begin today's own right now. If you are in the class already, please drop your greetings so we can pick your name and return our greetings to you. That is a way of marking your register of attendance. Say hello, say hi, say ndewo in the chat so that we can know who you are and then appreciate your coming to Igbo language live class. Free live Igbo language teaching. So if you are here and you are hearing me loud and clear, can you indicate, yeah, Kedu? Okay, my name is Hannah, married an Igbo man. I struggle writing in Igbo, but I understand a few. That's very good. Anna, no, you are in the right place. You help people like you. Anna, I have many of you, people like you married to Igbo. Some of them are in my private class. Some of them are subscribed to my YouTube channel and learning with me. Some of them have bought our ebooks, which are special in nature. It has audio, it has text, it has pictures. These are tools we have prepared to help people like you. So in whichever way you want us to help you, we are available. Join our live class every Saturday like today. Watch other videos in our homepage, subscribe to our YouTube channel, buy our ebooks, which I'm going to tell you how to buy them as the class progresses. And then if you want to accelerate your master, you join our private live class. Private classes, they're also available. So whichever one you want to be of help to you, Anna, Dewo, we love you. Anya Horogenanya. So let's go now. We are moving with today's lesson right about now. The first word we are considering today is rafuo. Rafuo. The first task you have is to listen to me. The second task is to pick the sound of my word and try, yeah, okay, you say, I have your ebook. That's very. How was the ebook? Are you learning something from the ebook? Is it what the money you paid for it? Are so cheap, $1 to $3, you buy any of them. Anna, do you consider those books helpful to you? Are you learning from that book? I want to hear from you, Anna. Yeah, and then if you want further help, if you want private class, we'll be available to do that for you. We're doing private class for many Igbo wives already who want to speak their husband language. So you can join our private class, Anna. Let me know if you're interested in that. Okay, please, you listen to me pronounce the word. When you do, you try to write what I said, the word I pronounced. Try to write it in the text correctly, because those are the few things we challenge ourselves to do. Hold on, please. I'm going to call you. We are moving on. Hold on. I need to hold on with this class a little bit. Yeah. All right. As I'm saying, you listen to me. Um, I say the word very helpful. Okay, the only thing is that the audio don't work from my end. Oh, you said the audio don't work from your end. Wow, that's a big minus for you, Anna. Please, Anna, after the class, you need to send me to request to send your complaint officially via my email so that I can send the audio to you. Any of the books you bought from us that is having problem with the audio, send me complaint letter to my mailbox, which is the igbotutor@gmail.com. Send me a letter of complaint and list the books that you bought from us that you can't access the audio, and send your WhatsApp number to me through that email so I can be able to the audio of the books directly to your WhatsApp. And are you with me? Can you confirm, Anna? Yes. Did you hear me, Anna? Did you get what I said you should do on how to get the audio of your books directly to you? Yeah, Anna, please confirm if you heard what I said. Yeah, okay, that's great. So that's the importance of coming around so we can always get your feedback and see how to help you further. That's fine. So the first word today is rafuo. Rafuo. Can somebody help us to write that in the chat, the spelling of the word rafuo? Can you write it for me? Rafuo. Yes, try to do that. Mary, you're welcome to class. Okay, no. Can you write rafuo? That is the first task. To hear what I say and convert it to words in Igbo. That is the first task. Yes? Can you do that now? Who will help me out to do that? Rafuo, that is the word. Rafuo. Yes, let's go. As you join the live class, there are a few things to do. Hit the like button. The button may be below or above. Just hit the like button. Share this live class to your contacts. And then subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that. And be ready to participate fully. Have your writing materials to write. And then participate accordingly. Let's go. Who is writing Rafuo for us? Rafuo. Yes, write that in the chat. Rafuo. Mary, I expect you to write that. You are the senior student here now. Yes. Who is writing Rafuo for us? Rafuo. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. Mary, are you there? I want you to write Rafuo. Write that now. That's the first test. That's the first hurdle. Let's know whether you can convert the Igbo sound pronunciation to words. And then we'll move from there. Yes? Okay. Clement Emehem, you are welcome to class. Yes, I said we should write Rafuo as a word. Okay, Mary has written that. Ututuoma. Okay, Ututuoma, Mazi Clement. Okay, Rafuo. Mary, you got it correct. That is Rafuo. What is the meaning of the word Rafuo? Who will help us now? Next challenge. The meaning of the word Rafuo. That is the second challenge. Who is helping us with that? Who is writing the meaning of the word Rafuo? We've gotten the word correctly. Next challenge is the meaning of the word in English. Okay, let's go. What does that mean? The word Rafuo. I'm waiting. Waiting. That is the challenge. This is a participatory class. Everybody that plays a role here. We teach and learn from each other. It's a community of learners. Okay, so those of you who don't know exactly what to write, you just watch the chat session down and listen to me as we do it together. Yes, what does Rafuo mean? Yes. What does it mean? Rafuo. Rafuo. Okay, somebody say trick. Somebody say blow. I love that. These are different options. Actually, the meaning is lead astray. Lead astray or deceive. So Clement Emehe is close. He wrote trick. Okay, he's close to that. So it's either deceive or lead astray. That's Rafuo. Good one. Let's move to past tense of the word Rafuo. What is the past tense of Rafuo? Yes, somebody should help us. Am I audible enough? Please confirm if I'm audible enough. I need to be sure. Can you hear me clearly? Please indicate. If you can hear me clearly, indicate. Yeah. We are looking for the past tense of, okay, Mary wrote Rafuru. Mary is correct. That is the past tense of, okay, Clement also is correct. It's Rafuru. That's correct. Deceived or led astray. Now, the final stage, we make a simple sentence with the past tense of Rafuru, which is Rafuru. Okay? And the sentence is, okay, that's good. You can hear me clearly. The sentence is, O Rafuru, nwanne ya. O Rafuru, nwanne ya. That is the sentence. O Rafuru, nwanne ya. Yes, write that in Igbo the way I said it. They are not to say Igbo. O Rafuru, nwanne ya. Ngwa ka ide ya ọsịsọ. O Rafuru, nwanne ya. Write exactly the way I said it. The Igbo sentence I just, read out. Write it the way I said it. O Rafuru, nwanne ya. Mary has come in. Let's see what she has got. O Rafuru, nwanne ya. Great work. Any other option? Mary has dropped her own. Any other option? Any other option? O Rafuru, nwanne ya. Okay, Clement has written O Rafuru, nwanne ya. Okay, you see how I read both of them. Mary own, I said, oh, I read O Rafuru, nwanne ya. Clement own, I read O Rafuru, nwanne ya, because that's what he wrote. So, guess the error between the two. Which one is correct? Mary own is correct. It's not O, it is O. Difference between O with dot under and O without dot under. In Igbo, they are not the same thing. The one with dot under sounds O. The one without dot sounds O. So which one is correct in this case? It is O. O Rafuru, nwanne ya. So Mary is correct. Okay, Clement Emehe. I expected you to do better than this. So what is the meaning of this? Who can tell us the meaning of O Rafuru, nwanne ya? In English, tell us the meaning. What does that mean? Okay, let me help because of time. It means he deceived his brother. He deceived his brother or his sister or his relation. Okay, anyone? Okay, that is the meaning of that. We go to the next word today. The next word is re, re, re. Let's go. Write it in the chat. The word re, what does it mean? How is it written? Re. Go ahead now and write it in the chat. Re. Let's go. Let's go there. Re. Let's shoot. Re. Okay, Mary has come in. Mary is smart these days. Clement has also written Re. Any other person? There are many people in the class. What are other people doing? Right? Also, make effort, make attempts. That is how to test your knowledge, your level so far. If you don't write, if you don't make any attempt, you won't know exactly the level you are. Mary has improved so much. Re. Okay, and that is correct. R-E-E. E in Igbo is not pronounced as E, it's pronounced as A. So Re is R-E-E. Okay, that's correct. What does this mean? Next challenge. What does re mean in Igbo? Let's go. What does re mean in Igbo? Re. Who will help us out with that? What does it mean? Re. Okay. Mary wrote eat. Let me see what other options we have. Eat. Hannah also wrote eat. I beg to disagree with this. Who else is saying something else? Re. You misinterpret that word. Re. Yes. Sell. Clement Emehe. That's correct. That is the word. Is sell. Now, those of you who wrote it, you didn't remember the correct sound of it and the spelling of the word it. They are not the same thing. It is rie, rie, R-I-E, not R-E-E, R-I-E, rie, that is it. Okay, I'm saying that to Mary and Anna, our wives. Okay, so sell is the correct word. What is that? Sell. Re, Clement Emehe. We move to the past tense of re. Let's go. What is the past tense of re? So Hannah, you can see now that you try to participate, Hannah, you can see where you got it wrong. And the beautiful thing is that when you make one mistake one time, you will not repeat it again because it will register in your head, your brain, your memory, your subconscious mind. So Anna, just go ahead and make such efforts. And that tells you the level you are, okay? Don't just shy away from that. Express yourself. That is why it is called life class. The teacher will always correct you. Just make effort. Okay, Anna? That's for you. Okay, past tense of re. Mary wrote re, re. That's correct. Clement, re, re. That's correct. R-E, R-E. That is the past tense of re, re, re. It's very correct. So let's make a sentence with that. Okay. Now, he sold it. He sold it. Write that in Igbo language. They are not Igbo. Dr. Blahi, welcome to class. He sold it. Write it in Igbo language. I'm saying it in English, convert it to Igbo now. Translate. He sold it. Remember, sold is re. We already have that word. So you just have to make it up, complete the sentence. He sold it. Use the word here. Already we have re, sold. Mary wrote, or re, yeah. I want more options. Hannah wrote, re, yeah. That's it. Hannah, you are coming up now. You get the gist. You get the idea. Just push. And you can see now that Anna is the one that got the right sentence. He sold it. Mary wrote, rereya. Hannah wrote, rereya. And I said, he sold it. And the right sentence is, rereya, not o. Okay? Some will say, when do we use o and when do we use o? I've taught this in many of my lessons. So if you don't know that yet, you need to possibly come to my private class for me to teach you that again. Okay? But rereya is the correct one. That's great. All right, we move. Number 3 word today is, now we're coming to sie, sie, sie. That is the word now, sie. Okay, so write it for us, sie. Those of you who are in class and you have not hit the like button for this live session, you are not fair to your teacher at all. If you have not shared this live session, you are not fair to your teacher at all. If you have not subscribed to our channel and you are here, you are not fair to your teacher at all. Show me some appreciation, okay? Like this live session, share it out, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is the least you can do. It doesn't cost you money or anything, just your thumb and your finger, that's all. Okay? So we're talking about CA. And let me see those who got it right. Dr. Abdullahi is the first person to get it right. Sie, S-I-E. Followed by Clement Emehe. Mary wrote Seye. No, that's not what I said. Mary Ofem. Okay, you corrected yourself. Sie. That's correct. SIE is Sie. Next challenge. What does Sie mean? Let's go. What is the meaning of Sie? Let's go there. What does it mean? Sie? Yes. What does Sie mean? Let's go. Let me see who gets that first. Shoot, shoot, shoot. First to get it. Who is that? Yeah? Who is to get it first? What is the meaning of Sie? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Sie is what? Meaning. Yes. Who is getting that first? The meaning of Sie is what? In Igbo language. Who gets that first? Waiting. Time is ticking. Time is ticking away. Time is ticking away. Who gets the meaning of Sie first? Who? Mary, where are you? Dr. Blahi, you are here. Clement Emehe, you are here. What are you waiting for? No idea. Oh my goodness. Very simple thing. Cook. That's great. Clement has got it right. Cook. I wonder why women did not get it. Hannah is here, Mary is here. They are people who engage in cooking and they don't know what they are doing. Sie means cook. That's interesting. Right. Now let's move. Next stage of challenge. Enable past tense of Sie. What is the past tense of Sie? Let's go. Shoot. Who gets that first? Past tense of cook. Past tense of Sie. Dr. Blahi, you're right. Am I even cooking? Mary say, and I'm even, okay, you are even cooking and you don't know what you are doing. That's interesting. All right, we are moving to the past tense of cook. Okay, Mary, you got it right. Siri. Mary, you are very good in past tense now. Siri. You're asking me whether it's right. Yes, you are right. Mary is Siri. Siri. That is the past tense of Sie, Siri. Correct. Next stage of our challenge, a simple sentence with Siri. Okay? Mary cooked yesterday. That's the sentence. Mary cooked yesterday. Write it in Igbo language. De ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Mary cooked yesterday. De ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Write it in Igbo language. Oya, ka ị gaa ọsịsọ. Kedu onye bụ ụzọ ede ya? Onye bụ onye mbụ ga-ede ya? Who will write it first? Let's go. Challenge. Oh, Mary cooked yesterday. Write it in Igbo. Mary siri yesterday. No be small matter. Mary siri yesterday. So Mary, you don't know what is yesterday in Igbo language. That's good. Anna is laughing at you. Very funny. Anyway, that's good. That's the fun of it. That's the beauty of life class. We can always interact and make ourselves happy. Good. Okay, so you don't know, Hannah, you are laughing at Mary. Do you know yesterday? Why don't you write yesterday if you know it? You are laughing at Mary. You cannot even write up to Mary. You are laughing at Mary. Okay, let me see who guessed it. Mary cooked yesterday. Okay, let's go. Who is getting that first? Okay. Actually, you have to add cooked food yesterday because you don't cook stove, you cook food. So add Mary cooked food yesterday. Okay, Clement tried Mary Siri. Unya. Yeah. Add food to it. What did he cook? So Mary Siri Unya is not a complete sentence in Igbo language. In English, it's simply Mary cooked yesterday. But in Igbo, you have to add what he cooked. Mary, Siri. What did he cook? Unyahu. So, okay, Clement, you have done it right. So, Mary, Siri. Clement, you are still missing something. You are not yet getting your dots under correctly. Your first sentence was correct. The only thing you needed to add is Iri. And then you went to make correction. You now change your Siri to Siri. Siri with dot under the I. That is another sentence entirely. That's another word. Siri. It's not the same thing as Siri. When the I has dot under is A, is no more E, and Siri is not the same thing as Siri. Siri is said, okay, past tense of say. So please do the right thing, Clement and Mehe, rewrite your sentence and let it be right. Okay, that's good. Mary sirinri unyaho. That is a perfect sentence. Please, those who are writing, update your record. Write the sentence as written by Clement E. The last sentence of Clement E in the chat is the correct sentence. Mary sirinri unyaho. Please write that if you're writing. And I observe that some of us up till now have not hit the like button, even though they are hearing me saying it. Some of us have not even shared this live session. You are not showing enough appreciation to your teacher. That's not fair enough. I hope those of you who are in class, all of you have subscribed to the channel. If you have not done that, that's not fair enough. Okay, let's go. We're done with Siri, and then that's done. We go to the next word, which is tinye. Tinye. Let's write it now. Tinye. For the sake of those who are watching this video now, or maybe you are watching it on our homepage, we need to let you know that we have prepared some important materials for you to facilitate your Igbo language learning and accelerate your speed. We have specialized Igbo ebooks made specially for you learners, new learners. And these ebooks are unique in nature. They come with text, pictures, and downloadable audios, which means when you buy our ebooks, you can download the audio and store it in your phone or computer for replay anytime. So as you are listening to the audio, you are looking at the book, the content. We read it for you practically. And that is the best you can have anywhere. And they are so cheap, between $1 to $3, you get any of them. How do you get them? Check the description box of this video if you are watching from our homepage. And because as soon as we drop, I'm going to put it there now. And check our previous live sessions. Open the description box. You see a link to our bookshop. Go to our homepage and open our main channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Hit the link. You will land in our bookshop where you will see over 17 books there. Pick anyone you want, put them together. With $20, you can buy up to 5 or 6 of them. So cheap. Okay? So just put them in your basket and pay and have them. And when you buy our ebooks, if you have challenge accessing the audio, don't hesitate to send us email or complaint. Send us email to the igbotutor@gmail.com. Our channel name, put it together, and then at gmail.com, send us complaints that you bought our books and you access. Excuse me, sorry about that obstruction. Sorry. When you do that, we'll find a way of getting the ebook, the audio across to you directly without having to buy the books again. Send it to you directly. So don't hesitate to launch your complaint if you buy our books, or you can go to the book itself, the advert book. The book. Sorry about that. You in our channel page, you go to the advert of the book and put under the comment of that advert, comment under it that you bought this book but you cannot access the audio. We will attend to you immediately. Right? Let's go. We're talking about tinye as the third word or fourth word for today. Let's see those who got it right. Okay, and the first person that got it right is Ante. Ante, Tinye. Ante, is it the first time you are joining our live class? Please indicate. Let's be sure. Ante, is it the first time you are joining our live class? If yes, please say yes. Let's know we have a new student and we welcome you officially. Okay, Tinye, Mary, your Tinye is not correct. Nye is NY, so you missed out something. Ante got it right. Dr. Blahi got it right. Tinye, Tinye. Next stage, next challenge. Okay, Semba, you've been in a live class before. That's good. Next stage is the meaning of tinye. What is the meaning? Let's go. Next level of challenge. Okay, Mary, I've done your correction. That's fine. Let's go to the next stage. What is the meaning of tinye? Let's go. Tinye. And have you bought our books before, our ebooks? Have you gotten any of them? I'm talking to Ante now. Have you gotten any of our ebooks before? All right. Mary said tinye means put. Okay. That's good. Put or put inside. Okay. Put. That's correct. Put. That's correct. Put. Right. Yes. Okay. Okay. Put or add. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Ante, you have not bought our ebook before. You have to try that. You'll find them very interesting. Yeah. I promise you that. And even if you don't, even if you know what is in the book, you can also use it as a gift to a friend, child of your brother or sister who is struggling to learn Igbo language. Use it as a gift for them. Send it to them as a gift. They will appreciate that. Okay, Ante, please. I believe you know how to access our ebooks. I believe you listen to me. And if you don't know, let me know. Let me repeat again. Okay, let's go to the next stage, which is the past tense of tinye. Let's go there. What is the past tense of tinye? Let's shoot. Let's go. Time is ticking. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Who gets it first? Okay, Ante Ngabali. That's great. Thank you for that promise, Ante. Okay, Mary said past tense of tinye is tinyere. Mary is on fire today. Mary is on fire, no doubt. Okay, tinyere. I love that. Yeah, and I can't agree less. Ọ nwetara ya. Mary nwetara ya. Okwu gara aga nke tinye bụ tinyere. She got it right. So let's make a simple sentence now with tinyere. Okay? O tinyere ya n'akpa. O tinyere ya n'akpa. O tinyere ya n'akpa. O tinyere ya n'akpa. Okay, tinyere, that's correct. O tinyere ya n'akpa. Let's write that the way I said it in Igbo language. Dee ya, dịka m si kwuo ya n'asụsụ Igbo. O tinyere ya n'akpa. Okay? Wow. Mary, you are on fire nowadays. Mary, no agree again. Oh. Mary, you are really firing. Let's see whether we'll get other options. There's something wrong with your sentence, but I won't say it now. Let me get other people's response. O tinyere ya n'akpa. Ante, Dr. Blahi, where are you guys? Shoot. Let's compare. Let's know who gets it correctly. O tinyere ya n'akpa. Yes, I'm waiting for other students to come in. Yes. Waiting for other students to come in with their response. O tinyere ya n'akpa. Okay, Ante. O tinyere ya n'akpa. That's perfect. That is what I'm waiting for. That is correct. Na, it's like a preposition. Okay. Yeah, it's like, okay, Dr. Clement Emehe, you also got it right, even though there shouldn't be gap between na and the akpa. It's just a comma on top. Okay, it's like a preposition saying where the thing is put. So it's not na as in N-A. It is N, comma on top, and then the particular place is put. So Ante and Clement Emehe got that correctly. Those who are writing, write what Ante has written. That is perfect. All right, we've done this. Let's go. Next word is tufuo. Tufuo. That is the next word. Tufuo. Let's write that quickly. Tufuo. Let's go. Tufuo. Let's go there. Who is writing that first? Who shoots first? Who gets the correct word? Who gets it first? Mary, tufuo. Mary on fire. Mary on fire. Mary on fire. Maybe because you are cooking, your head is hot. Could it be the reason why you are shooting like this? Don't mind me. All right, and tufuo. Right, that's a new version. But the correct one is one from Mary, Clement Tufuo. Okay, it's actually the U should have dot under. It's tofuo, tofuo. Let's go. What is the meaning of tufuo? What is the meaning of tufuo? Let's go. Let's challenge. Let's go there. Meaning of the word tufuo. Somebody is interrupting the class with call. And it's not funny. Sorry about that. So we're talking about tufuo. It's good. It's good. It's good to know that Anna is still in class. Okay, it's good to know that Anna is still in class. Oh yeah, Anna, thank you for staying away, staying along. Okay, I believe you're learning from others too, Anna. Am I right? Okay, and Anna, yeah, happened to be correct in the meaning of the word tufuo. To throw away is actually throw away. No need to add to. It is throw away. Throw away. Okay, that is tufuo. So Mary got it misplaced. Okay, misplaced. It's also very close to it, but directly is throw away. That is tufuo. All right, let's go with a simple. The past tense of tufuo is what? Okay, the past tense of tufuo is what? Let's go. Give me the past tense of tufuo. Yeah, if you have not hit the like button of this live session, you are not my friend. You are not my friend. Oh, if you have not hit the like button, you are not my friend. Okay, just know you are not my friend. You don't like me. Okay, Canary King, good morning from New York. Great, Canary, you are welcome to Igbo class, free live Igbo class. Okay, thank you for joining us, Canary. Okay, Canary, why do you want to learn Igbo language? Married to Igbo friend, born by Igbo parents, Igbo business partner. What is the reason for learning Igbo language? I'm talking to Canary King. Okay, tufuru is the past tense of tufuo. Okay, and that is correct by Mary. I'm correct by Ante. Both of you are correct. Okay, let's make a simple sentence in Igbo language with the word tufuru. All right, and the sentence is he threw the trash away. He threw the trash away. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. He threw the trash away. Write that in Igbo language. Let's try. Oh, let's go. He threw the trash away. Let's write that in Igbo language. Who is going first for this? Who is going for the kill? Who has the heart to do this? Ngwa, ka ime ya ọsịsọ. Gbapụ ya ọsọ, be fast about it. He threw the trash away. Let's go. Ọ tụfuru dọtị, that's ante. Oh yeah, let's go. Any other option? Ante has written his own. Ọ tụfuru dọtị. Any other option? Shoot your own. Let's see how it goes. Okay, Dottie. Yeah, I got you. I got you, Auntie. Let me hear other people. Let me see what other people come up with. He threw the trash away. What are you saying? Mary ought to full rubbish. Nah, nsogbu dịkwa. Mary nsogbu dị o. Rubbish ahụ n'okwu Igbo kwa ya. Rubbish has become Igbo language. Nsogbu dịkwa. Ọ dị mma. I get you. The one you don't know, you Igbonize English. Akwaya, you are doing well. As is allowed. We can Igbonize what we don't know. Borrow the English and Igbonize it, but you have to spell it in Igbo language. Okay. Up to furu ndoti. That's good. Hannah, good effort. Dr. Blahi, up to furu. Debt, yeah. Okay, that's great. I love all you guys. Your efforts are wonderful. Okay, so the trash can be dirty or uni, or dirty. But dirty is actually English word that was Igbonized. Just like I was talking to Mary, that when you want to take English word and use it as Igbo, you have to Igbonize it first. So what Ante wrote as dirty is not Igbo language, but dirty, debt was Igbonized and then spelled in Igbo language to become dirty. That's dirty, okay, or debt. That is dirty. So it's allowed in languages. You can borrow what you don't have in your language. But actually the dirty, the debt in Igbo is unyi. That is debt in Igbo language, okay? So let's put the sentence better now. Ante, you can write it in a more perfect way. Uni. Okay, uni. Uni. Some people call it uni or uni. Mm-hmm. So that it was okay. Ui. It's not ui, but uni. Uni or uni. Dr. Blahi will try, but not perfect yet. And the U should have no dot under. It's not O, it's uni. Who will try that now? Who will write the sentence for us perfectly well? I think Ante can do that. Okay. Hannah, you tried also. Good effort. But the word is otufuru. Uni. Okay. Mary, you tried ui. It's not ui. It's uni. Uni. I'm waiting for that. Otufuru. Uyeni. Mary. Oh, Hannah. Good effort. But not yet there. Uni. Ahụ. The debts. Otufuru. Unyi ahụ. All right, Clement, you are there. You got uni correctly. Now write the full sentence for me. Somebody has got uni, the spelling correctly. I need the full sentence. Otufuru unyi ahụ. That's what I want to see. No, Ante, look at what Clement wrote. That is spelling of uni. Dr. Blahi is not correct. Look at what Clement Emehen wrote. That is the spelling of uni. Use it to write the sentence complete. I'm waiting for that. I am waiting for that. Otufuru unyi ahụ. That is the sentence. Otufuru unyi ahụ. It threw away the debts. Okay? I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. And Dr. Blahi, this is tufuru, not tuforo. Your U's should have no dot under them at all. Tufuru unyi ahụ. Okay? Ante has tried 99% because ahụ should have dot under the U. Ahụ. Okay? Otufuru unyi ahụ. Mary has tried also, but ahụ is not yet correct. Great. Clement had done it. Otufuru unyi ahụ. Perfect sentence. Finally, Clement is the winner in this session. He got the sentence correctly. Clement E. Look at the last sentence from Clement E. That is the correct sentence. If you are writing, please write that now. Next word. We go. We move. Next word is vor. Let's go there. Yes, write it in Igbo language. Vor. Up till now, some people did not like what we are doing. Did not touch their like button at all. I don't know why it's hard for them to do. That's not fair enough. Up till now, I hope some of you have not subscribed. Up till now, that's not fair. Do that now. And then for this live session to be sustained, to always come around to teach free of charge every Saturday. We do this courtesy of those who are supporting us financially. How do you do that? You too can do that. Very simple. On the bar where you're typing your chart, you see by the right, There's a dollar sign there. Hit the dollar sign. It will give you options of how much you want to use to support this project. Help us cover our costs, data, and other things we do, and time. Okay, it's free lesson actually, but nothing is free actually. Anything free have been paid for by somebody. So you can be part of those who are sponsoring these free live classes every Saturday by giving us super sticker, super chat, or super thanks. If you are watching from our homepage, hit the thank button under. Okay, so if you hit the dollar sign by your right as you're typing, it will give you options of what you want to use to appreciate us and support this project. As you do, God will bless you. Let's go on. So we have vo, okay, ante. You got it right. You actually have dot under it also. You and O have dot under them. Vo, that's correct. So right again, let your view, you have dot under, O have dot under. That is vo. Okay, let's go. Next challenge. The meaning of the word vo is what? Vo means what? Okay, Dr. Blahi, you tried, but put dot under you also. Let's go. What is the meaning of vo? Vo, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of vo? Let's go, let's go. Who is helping us with that? Challenge, next stage of challenge. Meaning of the word vo. Yeah, answer, that's fine. We move on to the next stage. The meaning of the word vo. What is the meaning? Kedu ihe ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? Okwu a bụ vụọ, gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? What is the meaning of the word vụọ in Igbo language? Or in English rather, gịnị ka ọ bụ n'olu Bekee? Gịnị bụ vụọ n'olu Bekee? Hatch, correct. That is hatch. Clement Emehe got it right. We move, next stage. Past tense of vụọ is what? Let's go there. Who shoots first? Vụọ, past tense is what? Let's go. What is the past tense of vụọ? Vụọ, past tense of that is what? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara? Okwu gara aga nke vụọ bụ gịnị? Not open at all. I didn't ask you for open. Voro. Okay, but Mary, that's not yet correct. Your use are lacking something. Your use are lacking something, but you're almost there. Voro. Voro. Good effort by Mary. I need more attempts. I need more contribution from other people. Yes. Who is doing that for us? Pastor Voro. Auntie had got it perfectly well. Voro. That is the past tense of Voro. Now let's go. Next stage. Okay, Mary said I don't have the keyboard. That's all right. Next stage. Let's do this sentence now. Ọkụkụ voro akwa. Ọkụkụ voro akwa. Write it in Igbo the way I said it. Ọkụkụ voro akwa. Let's go. Let me see how many of you can understand and convert the sound to written text. Ọkụkụ voro akwa. Write in Igbo language the way I said it. Okay, let's go. Who is doing that first for us? Ọkụkụ voro akwa. Okay, Mary, you tried. Not perfect yet, but it's better to try than not to try at all. Anna, will you make effort? Yeah? Let's go. Let's go. Ọkụkụ voro akwa. Whoa. Ante has got it perfectly okay. Ante got it right. Ọkụkụ voro akwa. Next challenge. Clement, you got it right also. Next challenge. What is the meaning of this sentence? What is the meaning of this sentence in English language? Gịnị ka ahịrịokwu a pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? Gịnị ka ọ pụtara n'asụsụ Igbo? What is the meaning of this sentence in Igbo language? In English language, n'asụsụ bekee. Gịnị ka okwu a pụtara n'asụsụ bekee? Okay. Okay, ante. Yeah, ante is ọkụkọ. Yeah, you are correcting yourself. That's fine. Okay, so what is the meaning of this word in English? Ọkụkụm vụrụ akwa. What does it mean in English language? Let's interpret that, translate that into English. Quickly, time is going out. We have 5 minutes more left. And I want to complete this session today, this series today. I'm going to Z. We have 2 more words to go. So let's go. Let's do that fast. Okay, my chicken has hatched. Oh, Mary is the winner. Mary is the winner. Okay, that's fine. My chicken has hatched. Okay, that's correct. Okay, okay, my chicken hatched egg. I think that is more perfect. Clement Emehe, you hit it on the head more perfectly. My chicken hatched egg because I said aqua and it's egg there. So Clement is more perfect in sentence. We go. W. The word is were. Were. Let's go. Okay. That's good, Ante. We're going to the next word. The word is were. Write that now in the chat. Were. Were. Write it. Clement has written. Any other person coming in with were? Were. Any other option? Any other option? I want at least 2 responses before I move on. Were. Who else is coming in? Were. Dr. Blahi. That's correct. Move. Past tense of were. Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Gịnị bụ past tense were? Ante, you are correct. Gịnị bụ past tense were? Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Mary, you are correct. Were. Past tense of were is what? Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Okwu gara aga nke were ọ bụ gịnị? Let's go. Were. Past tense of gịnị? Dr. Blahi. Were. Mary wrote werere. Ante wrote wetere. No, were. Oh, we didn't do the meaning of were before we do past tense. Maybe that would have guided you better. Ante, that would have guided you better. Okay, but I want to say Clement wrote werere. Okay, let me say those who got it right. Among you that responded, the one that got the correct past tense is Dr. Ablahi. Were. It's not were. Dr. Ablahi got it right. But before we move on to sentence, what is the meaning of were? I forgot to mention that. I passed that stage. What is the meaning of were? Were? What does it mean? What is the meaning of were? Take. Mary Ofen. Correct. Mary is on fire. Were is take. Okay, let's go to make our sentence. Take. Clement, you're right. Take. Let's make our sentence. We took the money. We took the money. Write that in Igbo language. We took the money. We took the money. What is that in Igbo language? Write it now. We took the money. Write that in Igbo language. We took the money. Let's go. We took the money. Write that in Igbo language. We took the money. Yes, let's go. Dr. Blahi, ani were ego. Hey, Dr. Blahi is the winner. First attempt and correct. Everything is correct in Dr. Blahi sentence. Everything is correct. No error, no correction. Ante wrote ani were ego, but your ani is not correct because your I should have dot under it. Hannah, ani were ego, but you didn't put the money. You didn't put the ego, that is the money. Okay, Mary. Oh, ego ya mbao. That's not what we said. Dr. Abdullahi is the winner. So if you are copying and writing, please write what Abdullahi Abdul Karim wrote. That is the correct sentence. Doctor, we appreciate. I don't. That is not good. If doctor is winning you guys, doctor is a Yoruba man and is winning you Igbo people. That's not fair. Don't let him win you again. Okay, doctor, that's thumbs up for you. All right. We move to the last word in this series, and for today, actually, which is all right. I say the last word for today is, and for this series actually, next week we are going to a new series. The last word is zacha, zacha. Let's go. Type it now. Zacha. Let's go there. Zacha. Who is shooting first? Zacha. Who is going there first? Zacha. Let's go there. Zacha. Zacha. Mary has tried. Waiting for others. Zacha. Dr. Blank has done something. Clement has done something. Zacha. Zacha. Ante has written something. Zacha. Okay, all of you have tried. But no one has gotten it perfectly correct. Good effort from everybody, but not yet perfect. Oh, Dr. Blank has won. Dr. Blank again has won you guys. Zacha double A at the back. That is perfect by Dr. Abdullahi. What is the meaning of Zacha? Thumbs up, Dr. Hannah, good effort, but it's Z, Zacha. So what does this mean? Next challenge. What does this mean? What is Zacha? What does it mean? What does it mean? Zacha. What does it mean? Mary said, wash. Don't accept. I wait for other people. Okay, let me get your own opinion. Meaning of the word zacha, the English meaning of that Igbo word. Zacha, sweep, ante, sweep. The black, clean, mop. Okay, okay, good effort. Yeah, ante got it right, and Clement Emehe, that is sweep, sweep. Of course, clean is also part of it, as Dr. Blahi wrote, it's also zacha, but this is more attributed to using broom to sweep. Zacha. Okay, if it is clean, it's sacha. You change Z to S. Sacha, that is clean or more. But when it is Z, it's talking about using broom to sweep. It's sweeping. So that's the difference between, sweep and clean. Sweep is zacha, clean is sacha. You change Z to S. I hope that makes sense, Dr. Blind. Okay, let's go to past tense of zacha. Who gets that? Let's go there. Shoot now. Past tense of zacha is what? Yes. Who does that first? Who is winning this one, this stage? Who is winning this stage? Past tense of zacha is what? Who wins this stage? Okay, Mary Ophel, Zachara. Mary is the winner. First attempt, correct one. Zachara. That is correct. Mary, I salute you. I doff my cap for you. All right, let's go to a simple sentence with this Zachara. Oh, who else will I go? Okay, Ante, you're right. Let me use another name. Doctor, you're right. Zachara. Okay. Women are the ones that sweep the house. So let me use Hannah. Hannah Zachara. Uloya. Hannah Zachara. Uloya. Let's go. Hannah Zachara. Uloya. Write that the way I said it.
Hana zachara ụlọ ya. Please don't write Hana in English. Write it in Igbo language. True. Mary is past tense queen. She don't play with past tense at all. She has gotten the trick very well. She's doing it very well. She's past tense queen. Mary, you don't win, no. I don't know how to give you a crown, but the people say you are the past tense queen. Thumbs up to you. Okay? So, so the sentence is, please write Hana in Igbo language. Igbonize Hana. That's another test for you. Igbonize Hana. Hana, Igbonize it. Okay, let me see who get it. Let me see who get it. Hana zachara ụlọ ya. Let me see who gets Igbonization of Hana. Dr. Bly tried, but not yet perfect. Hannah also tried, but not yet perfect. Igbonize Hannah. Okay. Maybe otherwise the sentence is correct, but I'm looking for the Igbonization of the word, the name Hannah. Nobody has gotten it right. Yay! Mary is there. Mary has won it. Hannah zachara ụlọ ya. It's not double N. We don't have that in Igbo. Single N. Hannah. Mary is the winner. Mary is on fire today, indeed. Hannah zachara ụlọ ya. That is the Igbonization of that name. Okay. Clement has done it also. Hannah zachara ụlọ ya. Finally, what's the meaning of the word or the sentence? Interpret, translate Hannah zachara ụlọ ya into Igbo language. Ngwa, tụgharịa ahịrịokwu a n'asụsụ Igbo. Tụgharịa ya na Bekee. Tụgharịa ahịrịokwu Igbo a n'asụsụ Bekee. Translate this Igbo sentence to English. Tụgharịa ahịrịokwu Igbo a n'asụsụ Bekee. Ngwa, ka ime ya ọsịsọ, oge adịghị. There's no time. Ngwa, oge na-akụ kwapụ. Time is ticking away. So, yeah, Dr. Bly is very right. Hannah swept the house. Good effort, but not correct. I'm waiting for the correct sentence. Hannah swept her house. Clement Emehe is the winner. Her house. Ụlọ ya. Her house. Ụlọ ya. Great. It's been nice having you guys today. Yeah, Ante, you are right too. If you think we've done well today, we've served you enough today, and you have learned something, why don't give us a shout out, give us thumbs up. But if you are giving us thumbs up, please use super chat to do that, or super sticker. Give us a flower, give us a thumbs up, give us our thank you. Use your super chat and say thank you if you appreciate what we've done. All right, that's the way of keeping us doing this continuously. $1, $5, $2. It's not too much for you to say, thank you, teacher, today. Show us love. So as we round up, give us your sticker, give us thumbs up if you think we've done well today, if you think you've learned something today. Yes? GM? Okay. So please, do that now. Okay, and I say I had fun. Yeah, that's good. Why don't you use super chat to tell us that, Anna, that you had fun? Use super chat now. Appreciate your teacher now. That's what we're talking about. Okay, and they say, Dal, thank you for that. Thank you for that. Give us your thumbs up. Give us your super chat and stickers as we round up the class today. I want to appreciate those of you who made it possible today for us to have a good time together. Those who join us from far and near, from different countries. I need to also know, where do you join us from? Ante, which country do you join us from? Anna, where do you join us from? Which country? Nice lesson. Mary, I know you are from Germany. Okay, I know all the ma will do that. Okay, Mary, Hannah, which country do you join from? Ante, I want to know where you join us from. Clement, I know you are in US. Mary is in UK. Abdullahi is in Nigeria. Hannah, where are you joining from? And Ante, let me know where you joined us from. Australia. Hannah is from Australia. Thank you, Hannah, for joining us. It's been a nice time. We love you guys. Please try to continue to practice. Go to our homepage, watch our videos, share this out, like our videos. And then if you want us to help you further, Okay, Ante is from Germany. Great guys from everywhere, every part of the world. Please, if you want us to, okay, Jalingo, I know you're in Nigeria, Dr. Blaine, Jalingo, that's the northern part now. So we appreciate you guys. If you want further help by way of, private classes, send us email to the igbotutor@gmail.com. Complaints or requests, send it down to us. We'll attend to them. Anywhere, we love you guys. See you next Saturday. Keep fit and stay safe. Thank you. Kemesia. We say thank you. Emaila in Igbo. That is thank you. Emaila or Dalo. So God bless you. Kemesia. See you next Saturday. I'm out here.